Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I created this young to old age transition, then please keep watching. I cleansed my skin with 70% isopropyl alcohol to remove all the oils before applying the Old Age Stipple by WM Creations. This should be done with a latex-free sponge, as Old Age Stipple is latex-based and latex sticks to latex. I applied a thin layer to my entire face and neck, allowing it to dry before applying one more layer. You can use a hairdryer to speed up the drying process. Once both layers were dry, I applied the Mehron translucent setting powder to remove any tackiness. With a clean damp sponge, I then removed any excess powder before applying the makeup. I used the colour Midnight Brown from the Skin Illustrator starter palette to create the fine lines and wrinkles. Skin Illustrator paints are alcohol activated and tend to work better over latex. I find that cream-based paints don't blend as well and can tend to look a bit patchy. Smiling while you're applying the wrinkles helps you to find the natural line of your crow's feet and under eye wrinkles. Lifting your eyebrows helps to find your forehead wrinkles. And frowning helps you to find those wrinkles that some people call the 11s. Remember, wherever you've created shadows, you have to add highlights to make it look more realistic. I used a Bruise tone and applied this to the under eyes to create the illusion of eye bags, as well as to the eyelids. I then used this vein tone and applied this sporadically to the face and neck to give the skin that thinned out old age look. I added shading to the temples and under the cheekbones to give them that sunken in hollow effect. Pursing your lips helps to find those wrinkles above the lips. Highlighting below the brows gives the illusion of sagging skin. I then created age spots, and I did this by combining the colours burnt orange, black and espresso, and applied these using a doe foot applicator. With a stipple brush, I then used the Bruise tone and coral adjuster just to add some tone and life back into the face. For the eyebrows, I used the Nye Silver Grey, and I did this with a disposable mascara wand. I found that the Nye Silver Grey didn't hold to the eyelashes, so I used the white from the Skin Illustrator palette for this instead. I then used the Silver Grey again and ran that through the hair. I used this dry lip product to help create a wrinkled effect on the lips. And finally, I used the Nye Final Seal to set the makeup and blend everything together. And that's the look, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see any similar looks, then please consider subscribing.